Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be about surprising my husband with his dream computer build. Now, we built my gaming PC last year, and I'm gonna have a video on that coming soon, and my whole desk setup. I'm just working on getting a couple more pieces, and then I'll be ready to film that video. But in the meantime, when he was helping me build my computer, he purchased probably like one or two computer parts of his own, and we really start discussing his dream computer build. And so I bought everything, or the rest of everything, that he needed to build the computer for Valentine's Day. So I am going to show you guys what I got, and kind of go over his computer build. I am going to be filming us actually building the computer. Well, I will be the one building it per se. And there's a couple cool projects we have to do with the computer as well. So without further ado, let's see all the really cool computer parts I got. I'm not gonna lie, there was some I was trying to get, but if anyone knows, it'd be you guys. Graphics cards are really hard to come by right now. Like, I could not find anything. Like, it took me really months to get this graphics card. This is actually supposed to be a Christmas gift, but because I couldn't get the graphics card, I held off on ordering the major part of the build, and you guys see what I'm talking about later on in the video. All right, so these are all the computer parts we got for him. There are a couple items that we probably will be upgrading soon, just because, like I said, it was really hard to get our hands on, or I just couldn't order them in time. Most of these came from either Amazon or the Micro Center, and I was able to get within 1 or 2 days. So let's start off with the computer parts that he bought himself, which is going to be this Ryzen 7 chip. It is the 3rd gen. It's a 3700X, 8 core, 16 thread processor. So it's pretty normal to have in a gaming computer build. I know he was thinking about getting this one or the Ryzen 9 3rd gen series. So we went with the 7. And then the next thing he had already had was this B54 Aorus Pro Wi-Fi motherboard. Now, I have this one in my computer as well. It's really a decent board, and I don't have any complaints, especially for the price. Alright, now for the parts that I had to buy just so he can finish the build. I guess we'll go smallest to last, or large. We just got him a 1 terabyte, or I got him a 1 terabyte NVMe. He didn't really want any SD cards. And then we got him 32 gigs of RAM, Corsair, the Vengeance, the ones that light up, you know, ooh, pretty colors, RGB. Because of course, there has to be some RGB if this is going to be a gaming computer. Like, I don't think there's a gaming computer made these days without any sort of RGB. Next up, the only graphics card I was able to find, which is the 1660. Not what we wanted. I actually really wanted a 3070 or a 3080 for his computer. So we probably, once we can get our hands on one, upgrade that and swap it out. All right, and then we got this nice big RGB 850 watt power supply. It's by GameX. It was a really good deal on Amazon that I couldn't pass up. And you know, I'll be sure to link everything down below and try and list the prices that I purchased all this stuff at. To give you kind of like a breakdown of how much we actually spent on this computer build, because this I don't want to say kind of pricey, but the case was the most expensive thing, and you guys will see why. Alright, and last but not least, even though the CPU does come with a cooling fan already, we did decide to go ahead and get this water cooler from Coolmaster. And the main reason why is because the cooling fan that comes with the CPU will not fit in the case. The case has very, very limited space, and you guys will see why. I know I keep saying that, but I'm actually about to get to it like now. So I think it's a really, really cool build that is gonna blow you away, especially once it's finished. Are you gonna stay? Yeah. All right, and what we've all been waiting for, the case. So he wanted this Aza, I'm not sure how you really pronounce it, pyramid case. This is a really hard case to come by. It's been out of stock for probably over a year now. So I knew once I seen it in stock on Amazon, I had to jump at it and buy it. But this is the piece de resistance. So like I said, this case has very specific items that it supports. Only certain motherboards, as well as graphics card and cooling fans, will fit in here. Up to 300 millimeter graphics card and a 360 millimeter cooling fan. So that means we really did have to do a lot of research into which parts we were going to get. There's also some very specific and measurements that the power supply had to be as well. I just can't think of those off the top of my head. But yes, this is the computer case he wanted, and this is the computer build. So we are going to be adding some great details that's really going to amp up the pyramidness of this case. Those will be in later videos, so stick around and let us know what you think of all the computer parts we bought. And again, I will try and link most of these below, but all of them did come from either Amazon or the Micro Center. Shout out to Micro Center, because I could literally go in that store every day and spend hours there. But again, thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Show off any of your PC builds, or tell us what your PC build dreams are. Again, there will be more to come on this particular build, so stay tuned. Peace.